If you're looking to break the mould and try something different, then try this on for size. I give you Britain's favourite old school billboard, the iconic Routemaster bus. In this video, I'm going to break down the Routemaster's features, helping you decide whether this great British bus is a good fit for you. The first motorised London bus was introduced around 1905, with the iconic Routemaster coming into service in 1956. With their improbable designs, London Routemasters are just unmistakable. The carry capacity and relatively short wheelbase made the bus ideal for London's narrow streets. Although the Routemaster has evolved over the last century and designs have changed, they all pay homage to the original. And it is the original that I'm most fondly remembered. The two great advantages of the Routemaster are its sheer size and its rich legacy. Let's talk about the legacy first. The vehicle is known throughout the world as a symbol of London culture. Go into any tourist shop along the Thames and what do you find? Iconic British phone boxes, Buckingham Palace, London taxis, and of course, Routemasters. This makes the bus a true asset of brands looking to capture and hold the attention of passers-by. There's a reason why household names like Harrods maintain a Routemaster for PR and brand awareness campaigns. People love them. As for the size, at over 4 metres tall and nearly 10 metres long, it's perfect for advertising, which is why these buses and their modern counterparts are often used as mobile billboards. It's not just the outside, the interior of the bus is fully customisable, allowing you to create a multi-level experience for your target audience. Our stylish Routemasters are typically used for brand awareness campaigns, product launches, branded backdrops, or just simply stylish hop-on, hop-off transport. We recently transformed this bus inside and out from Malone's Souliers. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. This Routemaster became a mobile retail store experience, with customers invited to browse, try on and purchase styles from the latest collection. The upper deck was transformed into a bar where customers invited to try a little free post-shopping refreshment hosted by premium seltzer brand Something and Nothing. Our Routemasters start from around £12,000 for a one-day activation, including wrapping, logistics and health and safety. Please check our budget calculator to look at different options and campaign lengths. Internal modifications to these buses tend to start around £10,000. But if you just want to use one of our double-decker buses as a mobile billboard, we do offer packages that start from as little as £10,000. If you want to capture hearts and minds, the Routemaster is for you. It's big, bold and still one of the cheapest vehicles to brand per square metre. Meaning not only do you get the most value for your money, but you also have the greatest opportunity to maximise the return of investment. If you're looking to take the next steps, I'd recommend reading our Custom Services Guide. You'll learn how we can support you further and get your campaign on the road.